worst part about the dollar store flowers is that they come with these annoying stickers that are so hard to get off. But that's the most tedious part about everything, I feel like, that I've done today.
So as you can see, here are the bouquets side by side. I'm just getting some inspiration, but what you do notice as well, the sizes of the vase. So if we had a bigger vase, I definitely feel like the bouquet would look a lot better because it has more space and the flowers can kind of just spread out on their own. But, you know, work with what you have, and if, you know, you're strictly doing the dollar store, that's what I did, you get these results. Now, if you went to Hobby Lobby or something and picked up a bigger vase, you would get slightly different results because of the vase, and it'll make it look more expensive and more like luxury. But hey, do what you can, and look, it still looks beautiful. But if I would have realized the vase I already have was bigger, like my Home Goods bouquet, I probably would have gotten a bigger vase. But all in all, I like it a lot, and it looks very beautiful. So what I'm going to be doing here is taking these apart, as you guys will see here shortly, and putting them throughout the arrangement sporadically so it can look more expensive, and not only that, more realistic, like the ones we get from Home Goods, or even the real flowers that we get. They're all throughout the bouquet, so that's what I'm doing here. Now this step is optional. If you guys notice from like the bouquets you buy from the store, it has like that clear substance that's dry, maybe glue, to like keep everything together. But I just got some sand. I thought I'd switch it up a little bit. And this is also from the dollar store as well, to add a little weight to my arrangement so my kids can't just easily knock it down. But here is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.